I just had a 2,588 euro day, which is almost 3,000 US dollars in a day. Now you can see over here, right? With 18 sales, 18 actions, I had 2,588 euros. And over here you can see in the clicks, 485 clicks. So basically I sent 485 people to my quiz funnel, right? For affiliate offer, for affiliate product. And over here you can see I had only 18 sales. And here's the results, 2,588 euros and 29 cents. Now, how you can do this before Christmas and replicate it yourself. So basically what we do is we run simple Google pay-per-click ads. So basically Google text ads where we are targeting specific buyers. So the secret here is targeting buyers. As you can see over here, you see, yes, we have sent 485 people, and you can see over here the date, so I can show you, okay, December 18th, today. We sent 18 people who bought, and this is the result, right? And the reason why is because we are targeting buyers' clicks, buyers' intent. You see, my friend, if you want to have sales, you need to have someone who can show you one-on-one, step-by-step, exactly how to target the right audience. You need to have the right message to the market match. When you have male and female audiences, if you're promoting ClickBank products, even if you have never had a sale before, okay? What you have to understand is this. Once you know exactly who to target, what are the language patterns used in ad copy, then you will finally be able to start having 150, 350, even $500 days, okay? Now, if you want to do this before New Year, before Christmas, now is the buying season. Now is the best time to start and actually deploy and launch these campaigns on Google or even Facebook ads. You can start with as little as $5 a day and start generating results, okay? The most important thing is not having lots of clicks, as you can see over here, having the right types of clicks, buyers' clicks, because the money is always in the buyers' clicks. Now, as you watch this video, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram, my personal WhatsApp number, my Facebook Messenger and email, all under this video in the description below.